Morning, this is Mark from Mark's Repair, working on this 03 with the extended intermittent crank. Let me show you what's going on with it. So I got that 03 done over there. It's identical to this 03 to the T. So I took the ECM out of this truck and put the white ECM, the 03, the white truck over there, that ECM in this truck, because that doesn't have a hard start in the morning. Definitely a glow plug related. So let's go ahead and hook this up. Let's see what's going on. Let's watch it. Key on. Wait for the glow plug light to go off. And let's hope for it. Alright, it's off. I'm gonna wait for the injector to stop cycling. Yeah. No smoke. No nothing. So I think we got an ECM issue. I'm gonna do another test on it before I confirm it, because ECMs aren't cheap. And then we'll go from there. Alright. Thumbs up. This is a weird one. I looked everywhere on the internet for this thing. Extended crank, everyone's ICP, glow plug control module. This one I already did all 4 components: the glow plug control module, the harnesses, all 8 Ford glow plugs, and it would crank like you wouldn't believe and just pour out tons of smoke back there. Just like it would fill the whole driveway with just fuel, unburned fuel. So I know the FICM was firing. I had good FICM sync, good FICM voltage. I was at 48.5 volts, 49 volts. It never drops. I've never had any performance issue with this thing. The thing I noticed that I had to do with this thing is I would have to cycle the key twice, which doesn't make any sense in the 6.0 world, but that's what I did. And it would fire up every time. I'd take this thing up to Big Bear where it's 17 degrees out, and I just cycle the key twice and bam, it would fire up. So yeah, I have to swap the ECMs back because my wife's got to use the truck. It's kind of a pain. I can't really diag the shit and then let it sit. But it's cold this morning, so it's 48 degrees, and usually it would do it even on a warmer area where it'd be like 12 o'clock and it's like 70 degrees, 60 degrees or something, but it'd been sitting. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. All right, guys. Talk to you later.